I no longer have any hypoglycemic episodes like I once had.
Hi, I'm Dr. Allen. To find out how you can lose up to a pound of fat per day, call this number right now for your no-obligation consultation.
If your family is anything like this, you need quality floors from Empire today. Like durable carpet with built-in stain and pet protection. Tough wood laminate with a scratch-resistant finish. Or waterproof vinyl plate floors. Even bath time is no match. And when life happens, Empire backs every floor with great warranties. Quality floors you can count on. That's Empire today.
800-588-2300 Empire today.
Whose dog is this?
It's my special friend Antonio. His luxurious fur calms my nerves when I'm worried about moving into our new apartment.
Why don't we just ask Geico for help with renter's insurance?
I didn't know Geico helps with renter's insurance.
Yeah, and we could save a bunch too.
Antonio, fetch a computer. Antonio. I'll get it.
Get to know Geico and see how much you could save on renter's insurance.
Next DT, we're hustling with J-Lo and the fierce female cast of Hustlers.
We were a special little group of women.
And a secret star wedding. We've got the I Do details. Next DT.
Tonight at 7:30 on WUSA 9. The all-new WUSA 9 app. Download it today.